How to cancel your Instagram Meta verified subscription. Hello, everyone. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to cancel your Instagram Meta verified subscription. So let's get started. Meta Verified offers some great features, including the coveted blue verification tick. However, if you've decided it's no longer something you need, canceling the subscription is simple. And once canceled, you'll stop being charged for it. To begin, open the Instagram app and head to your profile page. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select the Account Center located near the top. Next, scroll down within the Account Center to find Account Settings. Then look for Meta Verified. Give it a moment to load. Once it's ready, you'll be able to see your current benefits under Meta Verified. To proceed with the cancellation, tap on Manage Subscription. Again, it may take a few seconds to load. Scroll to the bottom of this section where you'll find the Unsubscribed option. Tap on it. At this point, Instagram may present you with an exclusive offer to stay subscribed. If you're certain about canceling, simply tap No Thanks. You'll then be redirected to the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. There you can tap on the subscription listing and choose Cancel Subscription. Confirm your decision, and that's it. You've successfully unsubscribed from Meta Verified. And there you have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips.